how to speed up Telegram download. So if you want to speed up Telegram download, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go and search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, if you have any updates on your Telegram, you just need simply go and update it. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed, or you can just tap on open up your Telegram application, which will take you to the home page of your Telegram application. Now in the search bar, you just need simply search for Files Bot. Once you find the Files Bot, you need to tap on it. Tap on Start, which is on the bottom. After you tap on Start, select your language. Once you've selected, now you just need simply go back and go with the video that you would like to speed up your Telegram download to. Once you have your video, now you need to go with the three dots which is on the top right and then go with forward and forward it to Files Bot. During the video, you can see the open of a three dot icon or the three dot lines. Now select Save to Gallery, and in this way it will speed up your Telegram download. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.